You don't need recipes and you're a better cook than you think. We're gonna make a curry paste today. I'm gonna completely simplify this process. Let's get started. First of all, you're gonna look at aromatics. These can be onions, these can be garlic, these can be galangal, these can be ginger, whatever you got, whatever you work with. You're just gonna end up blending all this stuff or putting it in a mortar and pestle, and it'll all get finely ground. I'm going galangal, I'm going a little bit of lemongrass, garlic, shallots. Galangal is like a Thai ginger thing. Spices. Spices can be anything you want, anything you got, get rid of them. I would encourage you to use weird spices that are just in your cupboards. Even if it doesn't totally make sense in your head, they will come out and make a good curry paste. I've used turmeric, coriander, cumin, because that's what I have. Herbs, again, any fresh herbs that you have. Cilantro, basil, Thai basil, chives, anything green, anything that you can work with. I went cilantro stems because I find them really hard to work with, and I'm blending them anyway. We're gonna talk about umami. I'm gonna put fish sauce in. You can put in shrimp paste. You can put in even a little bit of anchovy. Umami, something sort of stinky and fishy makes that curry paste have that deeper depth of flavor. Finally, for heat, this is your chili. So this is any chilies you can get a hold of. You wanna go Thai bird's eye chili, go for it. I'm using Serrano chili. You could use Korean green chilies, habanero, whatever you have, Scotch bonnet, whatever you can find in the grocery store. What I have here is basically a Thai green curry paste. But the point is, you can sub out anything that you got. You can use up things in your fridge, in your pantry, and you can always freeze the extra batch of it to use. So let's make a little quick Thai curry. As you can see, we added a little coconut cream for a little fat. We added a little lime zest for bitter, a couple other things. We treated that curry real nice, a little fresh Thai basil at the end. Point is, focus on the curry paste, use stuff up, try combinations. The only thing you have to look out for is probably making it too spicy, which you can remove seeds for. Enjoy.